Hey there, today I'm going to give you a complete review of how to use Avalara, a step-by-step tax compliance guide. So let's get started. Avalara is a powerful tax compliance platform designed to automate sales tax calculations, filings, and reporting. It helps businesses stay compliant with constantly changing tax laws, both in the US and internationally. Everything happens in real time, which means fewer errors, less stress, and faster workflows. The best part is, Avalara handles almost every tax-related need. The tax calculation engine automatically applies the correct tax rates at checkout, which is great because it removes manual guesswork. Avalara Returns is another strong feature, helping you file and remit sales tax without touching a single form. If you sell globally, the VAT returns and reporting tools make international compliance easy. This is perfect for European or multi-country businesses. The Exemption Certificate Manager is also a big plus, especially if you work with nonprofits or resellers. It collects, stores, and validates certificates so you're always audit ready. The e-invoicing and live reporting tools help with regions that require digital invoices by law. And the platform doesn't stop there. You also get property tax management, cross-border customs support, business license management, a tax risk assessment tool, in-depth tax research, and even automated handling of 1099 and W-9 forms. Everything feels organized, modern, and built to reduce your workload. But there are a few drawbacks. Avalara can feel overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to tax automation. Some features require additional setup time. Pricing can also get expensive for very small businesses, and since the system relies on accurate data, any incorrect information you enter may slow down filings or reports. In some cases, you might need help from support or onboarding professionals to configure advanced settings. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.